Welcome back here at Cedar Mews in Ashton-under-Lyne, and the job is now completed. It took just over 2 weeks. So just to recap, what we've done here is replastered the ceiling, painted it, fitted the 12-inch square LED light, which has got 25,000 hours in that never needs to be replaced, fitted the extractor, and that's got some shutters on it, so when you switch it off, there's a separate switch. When you switch it off, the shutters close, so there's no draft can get in. The 1700 by 800 shower enclosure. This is 8mm thick glass, nice thick glass. The tray has got anti-slip on there, it's nice and rough so you don't want slip. The shower is fitted with the shower pump, so that's quite powerful. And that rail slides up and down. We've also supplied the grab rail, chrome grab rail, curved, and these wall fittings, which are really nice. The basin that we've had to fit, we had to put all the pipes into the wall so we can fit this, we call a semi-pedestal. The toilet is what they call a closed back, so you don't see any of the pipe work, so that's nice and neat. Fitted the flooring, and the mirror that we fitted is an LED mirror, along with the chrome, well not chrome towel warmer, it's a coloured towel warmer. This is about 50% more heat output than a normal chrome towel warmer. So all in all, yeah, really happy with it.